What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you all how to make a template on Gmail. You're going to want to click the gear icon, select settings, go to advanced, enable templates. This is a really cool feature. You're going to scroll down, you're going to save changes. I've already done that. Next thing you want to do, you click on compose. You're going to want to put in your subject of the name of the template. Then you're going to write your what you want it to be about. You're going to remove your signature line. The reason for that is this will automatically populate anytime you compose a new message if you use a signature. You're going to go down to templates. This will be active now. Save as draft. Save a new template. You're going to write in the name here. Go to compose, and you can see there that it automatically populated the signature. So we're just going to select the one we just created, and there you have it. Really easy, really good way to have messages set as templates that you can send to your customers. I'm going to show you one that I did for leaving a review. And as you can see there, we made one connected to our Google page. You can also make one for responding to someone requesting an estimate, a work order, or even just a document. But thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.